Introducing FarmBox Foods. We build containerized farms that grow food year-round. This includes a tech-driven vertical hydroponic farm, which produces a wide variety of leafy greens, tomatoes, culinary herbs, peppers, microgreens, and even trees. Our design maximizes the 320 square foot space inside the upcycled shipping containers that house these farms, and we outfit the containers with the technology to grow food at scale. A vertical hydroponic farm yields about 2.5 acres worth of farmland every year, while only using around 5 gallons of water per day. Our farms grow food in any climate without outside factors like drought, heat waves, flooding, and sudden cold snaps impacting crops. Software and hardware help users control the temperature, humidity, lighting and watering schedules, and even the concentration of plant nutrients in the water. These are the perfect tools for bringing food production close to the consumer. It reduces labor needs, fossil fuel use, cuts out the supply chain almost entirely, and provides much-needed access to communities in need. FarmBox Foods, innovating to feed the world.